So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download graphic card motherboard driver. So first you come to www.gigabyte.com and you can see here the search button and just enter the model number which is you require driver of. Okay, and then hit enter. Then click to product and you can see this is then click support. Select your operating system which is your required driver. So VGA driver, Intel VGA driver. So just click to download. After download it will show here, you can see 195. Just single click to open graphic card in VGA driver, then double click to open. Then guys click to yes. So this is installed and then close it.